Right now, your biggest enemy is not the world. It is your own mind, the voice that says, later, tomorrow, one more scroll. And every time you listen, you lose a little more control. You waste hours on comfort. You avoid hard things because they feel heavy. You wait to feel motivated before you act. But deep down, you know the truth. Your life is not stuck. Your mind is undisciplined. No one is coming to fix this for you. You must take command. Start small, but start hard. Wake up when you don't feel like it. Work when your mind begs for rest. Choose discomfort on purpose every single day, because a warrior is not built in comfort. He is built in repetition, in showing up when it's boring, painful, and silent. Day by day, your mind stops arguing. It starts obeying. And one day, you will look at yourself and realize you don't think like the old you anymore. You don't quit like before. You don't fear effort. So begin today. Not next week, not tomorrow. Right now, train your mind or stay a prisoner to it forever.